Hi guys, 2019 Hyundai Genesis 5.0 liter fat car. I love these cars. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got factory converter there, then secondary converters there, then piping, then resonators, more piping, and then we put 2 Corsa performance mufflers or resonators instead of the mufflers there and right there. Here's a part number on them, PKM 2001 Corsa performance resonators. Give it that clean, deep tone. So there they are out the back. And we kept the same tip design, but we just did them singles instead of doubles. Because the mufflers on it come single to double, and it just, you don't need that really. He wants more sound, so we hooked him up. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. 2015 Hyundai Genesis 5.0. Really beautiful. Converters are up there somewhere on each side. And then secondary converters there. And then what we did, it took the resonator out and put a next pipe in its place. Right there. Then he has exhaust cutouts that are open right now. So you guys will get to hear what it sounds like with exhaust cutouts. There and there. They're open. And then it's got the factory mufflers out the back on each side. So we did a resonator delete and put a next pipe in its place. There's the resonator right there. It's a dual in, dual out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2014 Hyundai Genesis 4-door 5.0. Look at this thing. Let me let you guys see what we did. It's got converters up there and up there. Secondaries there. Then we took the mid resonator out. He wanted it louder, so we said, we got you. Then we took the rear mufflers off there and there because he's, like I said, he wanted it louder. So we got you. There's the resonator that was on it. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it. We took them both off. And straight piped it, so it's fully straight pipe. Hyundai Genesis 5.0 R spec. I'm going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. All right, here we go. 2019 G80. That's really clean. It's just really basic. Huh. Here's sound decibels. Right at 98.1. Again. Nice bass to it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Such a nice, clean, deep tone. He's gonna try it out for about a week. If he wants it louder, he's gonna bring it back and we'll delete the mids. But for right now, I think it's perfect. All right, guys, let me let you hear on the inside. Not bad. Again. Here's sound decibels on it. Again. You guys can see 108. Not bad at all. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. Again. Got 39 1,000 miles on it only. Here's sound decibels. 118, guys. Wow. That's amazing. And it's quiet at idle. No noise. At idle, it's quiet. Yeah. Don't ever underestimate these cars, man. They're quick and full of luxury. Beautiful car too. That's that Genesis. It's the Mercedes of the Hyundai world. Look at that. This sounds sick. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. With Corsa Performance rear resonators swapped out for the mufflers, and stock res in the middle, and 4 cats, of course. That's clean. I like it. Just perfect tone for that. It's like an AMG tone. You can still hear it. Bro, they copied the Mercedes so much on the angle of it, like the CLS.
It sounds like I want to say
Yeah. Oh, it almost is. Other than the lights, it almost exactly the same. You see the new ones? The SUVs? Look them up. Genesis 4-door 5.0. Sounds sick.